No, I always feel nervous when I see comments like that. I feel like, oh no, am I gonna disappoint? But honestly, I went down to Tesco's. I was like, how would I like to celebrate my non-white dinner? And I was in there for a long time looking at every aisle. I didn't feel like anything. And then I thought about noodles and I thought, I ended up getting a cucumber. These are fish balls. This is the cream carbonara flavor. No cheese in here. But I did add Philadelphia because I've got a tub of it and I'm leaving on Friday, so I don't want to waste it. Why did I buy Philadelphia? Why have I got Philadelphia in the house? I feel like I bought it for something. Oops. This is my favorite pack for when I don't feel like cheese and I want something mild. Because with all of the other ones, I need to add mozzarella, otherwise it's too spicy. That is so lovely and creamy. Yum. Oops. Last bite, guys. That was super satisfying. Sorry it wasn't anything extra special for dinner, but I did go downstairs and I did look, but I will be back probably for a little sweet something now that I'm free. I hope you're having a good dinner and I'll speak to you later. Peace.